Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Different cultures add their own twist, from Thai tom yum to Spanish gambas al ajillo, proving how versatile this ingredient is. The combination of juicy prawns and spice creates a dish that's hard to resist. In this guide, you'll discover how to cook Spicy King prawns at home and explore global takes on this classic. Get ready to bring some heat to your kitchen. The culinary allure of Spicy King prawn. There's something irresistible about a perfectly cooked Spicy King prawn. The way the heat dances on your tongue while the sweetness of the prawn lingers makes every bite an adventure. It's no wonder this dish is a star in kitchens from Bangkok to New Orleans. Flavor profile and pairings. Spicy King prawns strike a delicious balance between heat and natural sweetness. The meaty, buttery texture of the prawn absorbs spices beautifully, creating layers of flavor that keep you coming back for more. Key ingredients play a huge role here. Chili brings the fire, but when used right, it complements rather than overwhelms. Garlic adds depth and a savory kick, caramelizing into a rich, nutty taste. Ginger lends a sharp, fresh zing that cuts through the richness. Pair these spices with lime, cilantro, or even a touch of honey for extra dimension. The result: a dish that's bold yet balanced, sweet, spicy, and savory all at once. Nutritional benefits. King prawns aren't just delicious, they pack a serious nutritional punch. They're low in fat but high in protein, making them a great choice for a filling, guilt-free meal. On top of that, they provide omega-3 fatty acids, good for heart health. Selenium and vitamin B12, boosts energy and supports immunity. The spices in the dish add their own perks. Chili and ginger are loaded with antioxidants, while garlic has natural anti-inflammatory benefits. So, when you enjoy Spicy King prawns, you're treating your taste buds and your body. Could there be a better combination? Fresh, fiery, and full of flavor, this dish checks all the boxes. Popular Spicy King prawn dishes around the world. From creamy Thai curries to smoky Cajun grills, Spicy King prawns take on bold flavors across global cuisines. Each culture brings its own spin, turning this seafood favorite into a dish with serious depth. Here are 3 iconic preparations that prove just how versatile Spicy King prawns can be. Thai Spicy King Prawn Curry. Thai curries turn king prawns into a creamy, aromatic dish that balances heat and richness. Coconut milk softens the fiery punch of Thai chilies, while lemongrass, galangal, and kaffir lime leaves add bright, tangy notes. Variations include green curry. Fresh green chilies and basil give it a herbal kick. Red curry. Richer and slightly sweeter, with red chilies and crushed peanuts. Some versions toss in bamboo shoots or eggplant for extra texture. Serve it steaming hot over jasmine rice, and let the flavors soak in. Indian Spicy King Prawn Masala. In India, king prawns swim in a thick, spiced tomato-onion gravy known as masala. Turmeric gives it a golden hue, while cumin, coriander, and garam masala add warmth. The key is frying the spices until they release their oils, creating a deep, layered taste. Some cooks add a splash of cream or coconut for richness, while others keep it bold and rustic. Either way, it's best with fluffy naan or steamed basmati rice to scoop up every bit of sauce. Cajun Spicy Grilled King Prawns. Cajun seasoning brings the heat with a smoky, garlicky edge. The blend, paprika, cayenne, onion powder, and thyme, coats the prawns before they hit the grill. Charring them briefly keeps the inside tender while adding a crisp, slightly blackened crust. For the best results, pat the prawns dry before seasoning to help the spices stick. Use a hot grill or cast iron skillet for a quick sear. Finish with a squeeze of lemon to cut through the smokiness. Whether skewered or tossed in a po' boy, these prawns pack a punch with minimal fuss. How to cook the perfect Spicy King prawn at home. Cooking Spicy King prawns at home is easier than you might think. With the right ingredients and techniques, you can recreate restaurant-quality flavor in your own kitchen. Let's break it down step by step. Selecting the best king prawns. Freshness is key. Look for prawns that are firm, with a clean ocean smell, never fishy. Here's what to keep in mind. Fresh versus frozen. Fresh prawns are great if you're cooking them the same day. Frozen prawns are a solid backup, just thaw them in the fridge overnight. Size matters. Larger prawns, size 10/15 or U15, work best for grilling or frying, while medium ones are ideal for stir-fries. Sustainability check. Choose prawns certified by MSC or ASC, or opt for wild-caught from well-managed fisheries. A quick tip. Peel and devein the prawns before cooking, but leave the tails on for extra flavor. Essential spices and marinades. The right marinade turns good prawns into great ones. Start with these basics, then adjust the heat to your liking. Classic spicy marinade. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1 tablespoon minced garlic. 1 teaspoon smoked paprika. Half a teaspoon cayenne, or more for extra heat. 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Salt and black pepper to taste. For milder versions, swap cayenne for sweet paprika. For a Thai twist, add lemongrass and fish sauce. Let the prawns marinate for at least 15 minutes, or up to an hour for deeper flavor. Stay tuned for part 2, where we finish cooking and explore global twists. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.